Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MPEPPE token. Now the MPEPPE token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. Name of the token is MPEPPE and ticker symbol is MPEPPE. So this token is in stage 1 currently of their pre-sale. They've sold a lot of tokens. It says 76.39% total sold. They've sold $217,324 worth of tokens. And they still have a remaining 87,249,240 tokens left to sell. So, they're doing very well, and this token, their webpage is MPEPPE.io, and this token has 2 audits. Some of these initial coin offerings, these pre-sales that tokens do on their own webpage can be kind of sketchy. So we're going to review the audit. We're going to talk about, what this project's all about, talk about how you can get it, all that type of stuff. We're going to do all that in 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Introducing MPEPPE, the revolutionary meme cryptocurrency at the intersection of sports, fandom, and blockchain innovation. Inspired by the legendary Pepe coin and the electrifying talents of professional soccer players like Mbappe, MPEPPE stands as a beacon for uniting global sports enthusiasts through the power of crypto and sports-related memes. Leveraging the robustness of blockchain technology, MPEPPE pioneers a gaming and sports ecosystem, hosting a vibrant community where members can socialize, trade the community token, and engage in thrilling sports-related activities. MPEPPE seeks to go beyond financial transactions to build a community that fosters creativity, drives positive change, and creates wealth through strategic community planning. The MPEPPE token endeavors to foster a global community that celebrates the spirit of soccer while embracing the potential for real-world impact and wealth creation. At its core, MPEPPE draws inspiration from the monumental impact of Pepe, the original token, and a pioneering meme cryptocurrency that not only captured the imagination of the internet culture, but also catalyzed real-world change. Pepe Coin has demonstrated the profound influence meme cryptocurrencies can have on catalyzing real-world change through charitable activities, crowdfunding campaigns, and community-driven projects. This wealth creation model based on community involvement and planning has not only changed lives, but also made a tangible difference in the world. MPEPPE aims to build upon this model to unite global sports enthusiasts under a common banner of passion and innovation. In summary, MPEPPE represents a movement that embodies the fusion of sports passion, blockchain innovation, and the transformative power of meme culture. It invites individuals to join in redefining the future of soccer fandom, community wealth creation, and cryptocurrency through MPEPPE. Join us on this exhilarating journey where passion for soccer meets the boundless possibilities of the digital age. Now, they have a roadmap on here, starting with website, signature artwork, build the Twitter and Telegram, security audit by CoinSalt and Solid Proof, and we're going to look at both of those in a second here. Then the pre-sale, that's already started. They're going to have NFT player card lists. So you can see a whole player card NFT section on their white paper, whitepaper.mpepe.io. Then they're going to have MPEPPE token locking. They're going to have gaming, sport influencer onboarding, global marketing, giveaways, airdrops, social media campaigns, money giveaways, launching the NFTs, all sorts of sports, gaming, staking, claiming of the pre-sale tokens, listing on Uniswap. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. So after the pre-sale is over, the token will go to Uniswap. Tier 2 central exchange listings, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, more global marketing, gaming stuff on the Discord, charity giveaways, all sorts of stuff coming out. Google Play and App Store app launches. And yeah, so it says avoid scammers. Always, make sure you're on the legit sites. Their Telegram is MPEPPE Coin. 474 members, 17 of them are online. That's a great place to discuss the token with other community members. On their webpage, if you want to get the token, there is a how to buy section. You just follow step by step. But you connect your wallet, like a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. If you click buy MPEPPE, see what happens here. Oh, you got to sign in. You got to do all that stuff. First name, last name, email, all that stuff. So, I don't really like doing that, but to each his own. You can buy the token with either Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, BNB, Visa, or MasterCard. It says use code MPEPPE to get a 15% bonus. So they have a how to buy. But first, before you even think about doing that, on their solid proof audit, it says there is one medium issue. It says crucial issues found. The contract does contain issues of high or medium criticality. In certain circumstances, the contract may not function as intended and may pose a safety risk. So one of them is owner privileges. So, the owner has not given up complete privileges. Also, there's the medium issue here. It says contracts that lock Ether. So remove that's pending. They haven't fixed that. There's informational issues. And there's optimization issues. There's a bunch of issues on the solid proof audit. So totally be aware of that. I can't say for sure that it's going to be a scam, but it says ownership is not renounced is the big one, and crucial issues found. And then even on their other one by CoinSalt, it says low risk information or low risk issue found, and it's still pending. It's not even acknowledged yet. So there's issues. There's lots of issues here that could potentially lead to a scam. So just be aware of that. I'm not saying it is a scam, but definitely it could lead to a scam. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before investing. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.